Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're coming across an issue when attempting to save a Microsoft Word document. That gives you a little pop-up dialog window that says Word cannot complete the save due to a file permission error. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be to navigate over to wherever file directory this file is saved in, or this Word document. So I'm going to just right click on the document itself, and I'm going to select Properties. And now underneath Attributes, if there is a security section here that says that this file came from another computer and might be blocked to help protect this computer, you would select the Unblock option. So that's the first thing I recommend taking a look at here. Something else you want to do as well, close out of here, open up Word, and you want to go and select the account option on the left side, select update options, and then select update now. Check for and apply for updates for Office and see if there's any new updates available. So that's something I would definitely recommend taking a look at here. Close out of here, open up the search menu and type in apps and features. Best match should come back with apps and features. Go ahead and open that up. Go ahead in the apps list field and search for Office. Select the Microsoft Office in the list here, and you see we have a different language setting here, so that's why it's showing more than one. Go ahead and just select Microsoft Office from the list and select Modify. Select Yes if you receive a user account control prompt, and you want to select Online Repair. Fixes all issues but takes a little longer and requires an internet connection throughout. You can select this option if you're still having problems after a quick repair. Select Repair, and we'll download files to repair your installation. This may take some time and requires an internet connection. If you're on a metered connection, this may charge extra. Please keep this in mind when getting online content. If you have no idea what that means, you probably don't have to worry about it. If you're on a metered connection, you understand what that means, but go ahead and select repair and give us a couple minutes to run. Okay, so now hopefully at this point you should be good to go if you attempt to relaunch Word. And like I said, do hope I was able to help you out. And as always, thank you for watching. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.